Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the core table: date, description, category, amount, and type. Once done, add a month column or separate monthly tabs so you can analyze periods. Now import transactions from your bank via CSV or paste statements. This saves time and prevents transcription errors. Make sure to standardize category names as you go. Consistent labels let formulas work reliably. Finally, lock header rows and freeze the first column so you maintain context while entering data. Now set up calculations that do the heavy lifting. Create a categories drop-down and map any mismatched labels so entries auto-classify. That prevents split results. Use SUMIFs to total expenses by category and by month. This lets you compare actuals to plan. Add running balance formulas to track cash flow and a budgeted amount column next to actuals to compute variance. Once these are active, add conditional formatting to highlight overspending so problems stand out immediately. Finish by creating a compact dashboard showing totals, percent spent of budget, and top categories so you can make quick decisions. Once done, reconcile each month by matching bank totals to your sheet and adjust any budget numbers accordingly. If numbers don't match, filter for uncategorized items, check for duplicate imports, and verify date ranges. Those are the most common causes. Make sure you version control major edits by copying the sheet before large imports or formula changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.